Crypto arbitrage guaranteed profit at very low risk, but there is still some risk, especially in a volatile market. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do crypto arbitrage. First of all, for example, if you look at this picture, every exchange has a different price for Bitcoin, which is perfectly normal. Now, what crypto arbitrage is? Buying Bitcoin on, let's say, Coinbase for this price, and then going to KuCoin and selling it for this price. And then that is your split or your profit. Now, obviously, you probably wouldn't be doing this amount, and even if you were, that profit, it doesn't even seem like a lot. But when you look at other smaller cap coins, the differences or the splits are much higher than these larger cap coins. And if you can find these big opportunities and do this multiple times a day, that's where you can make some really good money. You are basically just buying a coin and then selling it for more, which is basically kind of like trading. But the thing is, with trading, you don't know what the price will be in like 5 minutes from now. With arbitrage, on the other hand, you can see exactly what the price is trading at in real time on another exchange, and if it is trading for more, it's basically like guaranteed profit. Now that you know some of the basics about crypto arbitrage, let's head over to my computer and show you exactly how it's done. Okay, so first off, I just want to quickly explain why coins are traded at different price levels amongst different exchanges. As we can see over here, the reason is because of something called market inefficiencies, which is basically an area in a crypto's price, because technically a crypto's price should be the same everywhere, but it's not, which means they don't always have a set value. Instead, their prices are determined by how much people are willing to pay to buy and sell them. For example, most exchanges value a coin based on most recent price at which it was bought and sold, which means if $10 is the most recent price someone bought a crypto on an exchange, the exchange would price the value of that coin at $10. If you don't understand this price differences thing, it's okay, no worries. Just remember, crypto's price should be the same everywhere, but it's not. Alright, so the first thing you are going to need is create accounts on all major exchanges. So obviously you have like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, Kraken, KuCoin, etc. There's tons of other crypto exchanges as you can see over here. Now, one thing to note, when you create accounts on these major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, that majority of these are going to require a KYC check, which is basically just confirming your identity. And now, yes, it's great to have this, but you have to understand a lot of crypto exchanges opportunities come from the smaller exchanges, which is usually have no KYC check, so you can create them very easily and quickly, and they usually have lower fees as well. So what I suggest to do is create some accounts on some of the major exchanges such as like Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, etc. I assume a lot of you guys have already accounts to these places, so you don't have to worry about that. But I still suggest creating them. I also suggest creating some smaller exchanges accounts, so you have like this and this exchanges. I'm just on the Bitcoin chart over here, but I highly suggest creating some of these smaller coins. Now, as you gradually grow your crypto arbitrage journey, you're gonna actually just create more accounts on these exchanges, but as long as you have like a smaller framework, you should be good. Alright, now that you have your exchange set up, the next thing you need is to do is research for great opportunities that have these splits and price. Luckily for you, have to what it is different opportunities. Now obviously that's a little overkill, but you're gonna go through and see which ones have some great opportunities. So if you go to this coin, for example, you're just going to click the coin, go to markets, you're gonna see if there is big split. As you can see over here, there is not that big of a split. Everything is traded pretty much close to its normal price. If you switch to USDT, like it's all like a penny differences, so you can see it's not a good example. So you would just go through and see which ones are pretty good to trade or arbitrage. This was just an example. If you go over to another coin like this coin, now you can see this is a pretty good price differences between these two exchanges. But another important thing is withdrawal and deposit fees. You guys should try to avoid some blockchain because they have very high fees, and the game is to get as low fees as possible. That way you can maximize your profits. And also a really big price of advice to stay away from Uniswap, because Uniswap fees are very high. So just those two things, try to stay away from Ethereum tokens if you are doing this. And now you swap as well. There are some pros and cons to it. You need to be trading with a good amount of capital to make it worth. A couple of $100 just won't do anything, and although the concept is simple, there is a lot of moving parts that go into it, such as sending the money, calculating the fees and everything else. You even see an opportunity and you send it to another exchange. That opportunity might be gone by that. But on the flip side, it is kind of like guaranteed money because you know you can sell it for more. You just have to see if it's really worth your time. The most important thing is to find the opportunity to do crypto arbitrage. So there are thousands of coins and all. You just cannot go through thousands of coins every day and check their price and network fees for deposits and withdrawals. But don't worry at all. If you think this whole tutorial is so complicated for you, again, don't worry because I'm here to help. In order to make some good profit, you need perfect arbitrage opportunity. In this YouTube channel, we'll provide all those daily crypto arbitrage opportunities with a detailed video. All you have to do is stay with our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the arbitrage opportunities as soon as possible. You will get a video notification instantly when we upload a video crypto opportunity, because all crypto arbitrage opportunities stays for 10 minutes to some hours. So you have to make your decision quickly in order to make some really good amount of money. Thank you. I hope you get the basics of crypto arbitrage. Now it's time to make some really good amount of money. Stay with us.